Anna decides to walk along the River Seine. The river is long and beautiful. There are many bridges and boats. Anna dreams about her next adventure in Paris. The city has many secrets to discover. The story of Anna's day in Paris does not end here. Tomorrow, she will explore more places. Every day brings new adventures. Paris is a city of lights, art, and dreams. Anna's journey continues. The next day, Anna visits Montmartre. She climbs the hills and reaches the beautiful white church, Sacré-Cœur. From here, she can see all of Paris. It looks wonderful. Anna feels like she can touch the sky. Then, Anna walks around the Artists' Square, Place du Théâtre. Many artists are painting and drawing. The colors are bright and beautiful. Anna buys a small painting of the Eiffel Tower. It will be a good memory from her trip. In the evening, Anna goes to a French restaurant. She tries some French dishes like snails and duck. The food is strange, but very tasty. Anna enjoys trying new things. She smiles and thinks about what she will do tomorrow. As the night falls, Anna walks near the Notre Dame Cathedral. The cathedral is big and old. It looks different in the night light. Anna feels a little tired, but very happy. She knows there is still much to see in Paris. Anna's adventures in Paris are not over. Each day is full of new surprises and joys. She is excited to wake up tomorrow and continue her journey. Paris still has many stories to tell her. Anna wakes up early the next morning, excited for another day in Paris. She decides to start her day with a visit to the Luxembourg Gardens. The garden is peaceful and full of beautiful flowers and statues. Anna takes a long walk, enjoying the fresh air and the sound of children playing around the fountain. Later, Anna goes to the Pantheon. It's an impressive building where many famous French people are buried. She looks at the architecture and the art inside. It makes her think about history and the people who have shaped it. In the afternoon, Anna takes a boat tour on the River Seine. The boat moves slowly, and she sees many famous buildings and bridges from the water. The view from the boat is different and very special. Anna feels like she is seeing Paris from a new angle. After the boat tour, Anna finds a little bookshop by the river. It's filled with old and new books. Anna buys a book about the history of Paris. She plans to read it in the garden tomorrow. As the sun sets, Anna visits the Champs-Élysées. The street is busy with people shopping and enjoying their evening. Anna joins them and looks at the shops. She buys some souvenirs for her family. Anna ends her day with a visit to the Arc de Triomphe. She climbs to the top and watches the sunset over the city. The view is breathtaking. Anna feels lucky to be in such a beautiful place. The night is quiet as Anna walks back to her hotel. She is tired but happy. She knows that Paris will offer her more adventures. Anna looks forward to discovering more of the city's magic. Her journey is far from over. The next morning, Anna decides to explore the Marais district, known for its vibrant history and trendy shops. She wanders through narrow streets lined with old buildings that house boutiques and cafes. Anna stops for a coffee at a quaint cafe and watches people go by, enjoying the lively atmosphere. Anna then visits the Picasso Museum, housed in a grand old mansion. She admires the many works of Picasso, amazed by his talent and creativity. The museum also features works by other artists, that provide a rich context to Picasso's paintings. Anna spends several hours exploring, captivated by the art. In the afternoon, Anna heads to the Ile de la Cité. She explores the Sainte-Chapelle, known for its stunning stained glass windows that create a kaleidoscope of colors when the sun shines through. The beauty of the chapel leaves her in awe. Next, Anna strolls to the nearby flower market. The colors and scents of fresh flowers fill the air. She buys a small bouquet of lavender and roses to brighten her hotel room. The friendly vendor tells her about other hidden gems in Paris to explore. As evening approaches, Anna takes a walk along the banks of the Seine, her favorite place to feel connected to the heart of Paris. She passes by street musicians and dancers, their energy infectious. Anna feels a deep sense of belonging and happiness. Finally, Anna decides to treat herself to a special dinner in a recommended French bistro. She tries escargot for the first time and loves it. The meal is delicious, and the ambience of the bistro is perfect for reflecting on her adventures. Full of food and memories, Anna walks back to her hotel under the starry Paris night. She feels content and excited for the days ahead. Every corner of Paris holds a story, and Anna is eager to discover them all. Her adventure continues, promising more discoveries and joy in the beautiful city of Paris. The next morning, feeling refreshed, Anna decides to explore another iconic part of Paris, the Latin Quarter. Known for its student life, lively atmosphere, and history, the neighborhood fascinates her. She wanders around the Sorbonne University, imagining the many generations of students who have walked its corridors. Anna then visits the Pantheon, just a short walk from the Sorbonne. She is amazed by its majestic architecture and the solemn atmosphere inside, where France's great figures are honored. She takes her time exploring the crypt and reading about the lives of those entombed there. Hungry after her morning excursions, Anna finds a small patisserie where she indulges in a pain au chocolat and a café au lait. Sitting by the window, she enjoys watching the bustling city life outside. She feels a deep connection to the rhythm of Parisian life. In the afternoon, Anna decides to visit the Museum of Natural History. She is intrigued by the dinosaur skeletons and the evolution galleries. The museum is vast, and she spends several hours marveling at the exhibits, fascinated by the natural world. Later, Anna strolls through the Jardin des Plantes, the main botanical garden in France. The garden is peaceful, with beautiful flower beds, greenhouses, and shaded paths. Anna finds a quiet bench and spends some time reading her new book about Paris. As the day turns into evening, Anna heads to the Seine for a sunset cruise. The boat glides smoothly on the river, offering stunning views of Paris lit up against the twilight sky. Anna feels a sense of peace as she watches the city transition from day to night. After the cruise, Anna walks through the illuminated streets filled with the vibrant nightlife of Paris. She stops at a lively cafe where she enjoys a late-night snack of crepes filled with Nutella and bananas. Content with her day's adventures, Anna heads back to her hotel. She falls asleep dreaming of the endless possibilities that tomorrow holds. Paris continues to enchant her, each day revealing new facets of its beauty and history. Anna's journey is far from over, as Paris still has much to show her. The following morning, Anna decides to explore the artsy neighborhood of Montparnasse, once the heart of intellectual and artistic life in Paris. As she walks, she imagines the many famous artists and writers who once frequented the cafes and studios here. Anna visits the Montparnasse Cemetery, a serene place despite its location in the bustling city. She wanders among the graves of famous individuals such as Simone de Beauvoir and Jean-Paul Sartre, paying her respects and reflecting on their contributions to culture and philosophy. For lunch, Anna chooses a small bistro with outdoor seating, enjoying a classic French onion soup and a glass of red wine. She savors the flavors and the ambience, watching the world go by and jotting down notes in her travel journal about her experiences. In the afternoon, Anna heads to the Montparnasse Tower. She takes the elevator up to the observation deck, where she is greeted with a breathtaking 360-degree view of Paris. From this vantage point, she can see all the landmarks she has visited, and she takes a moment to appreciate the vastness and beauty of the city. Feeling adventurous, Anna then takes the metro to the bustling area of Belleville, known for its diverse community and vibrant street art. She enjoys a leisurely stroll through the neighborhood, admiring the colorful murals and graffiti that tell stories of the city's contemporary cultural scene. As dusk falls, Anna finds a cozy cafe in Belleville where she tries a slice of tarte tatin, delighting in the sweet caramelized apples and flaky pastry. She strikes up a conversation with a local artist, learning about the neighborhood's history and its current artistic movements. Rejuvenated by the new friendships and experiences, Anna walks back to her hotel under the stars. She feels a profound connection to Paris, a city that offers endless explorations and discoveries. Each day brings new surprises, and she looks forward to what tomorrow will unfold. Anna's journey continues, with Paris slowly revealing its many layers to her. The next day, Anna decides to delve deeper into the historical heart of Paris by visiting the Marais district again. This time, she focuses on the Jewish quarter, which is rich in history and culture. She starts her day at the Musée d'Art et d'Histoire du Judaïsme, where she learns about the vibrant Jewish community that has been part of Paris for centuries. After her museum visit, Anna strolls through the narrow streets of the Marais, stopping at various Jewish bakeries and delis. She tries a traditional falafel sandwich from a well-known stand and savors the flavors of the Middle East right in the heart of Paris. She also treats herself to some delicious pastries, like rugelach and babka, from a local bakery. Feeling inspired by the area's rich tapestry of history and culture, Anna visits the Place des Vosges, one of the oldest planned squares in Paris. She admires the beautiful red brick buildings and the symmetrical design of the square. Sitting on a bench, Anna takes some time to sketch the scene in her travel journal, capturing the peaceful yet vibrant atmosphere. In the late afternoon, Anna decides to visit the famous Père Lachaise cemetery. As she walks among the ornate gravestones and mausoleums, she finds the resting places of some of the world's most influential artists, musicians, and writers, including Oscar Wilde and Jim Morrison. The cemetery's solemn beauty and the stories it holds are deeply moving. As the sun begins to set, Anna leaves the cemetery and finds a small cafe nearby. She orders a light dinner and reflects on her day. The cafe's warm glow and the gentle murmur of conversations around her make Anna feel at home in this city that she has grown to love. Later that evening, Anna takes a leisurely walk along the Seine. The river is beautifully lit, and the city lights reflect on the water, creating a magical atmosphere. She feels a deep sense of peace and contentment. As she walks, her heart full of the day's experiences. Back at her hotel, Anna writes postcards to her family and friends, sharing snippets of her adventures in Paris. She knows that her time in this enchanting city is drawing to a close, but she feels grateful for all the memories she has made. Paris has taught her much about art, history, and herself. As Anna prepares for bed, she dreams of her last few days in Paris. She plans to visit more hidden gems and perhaps revisit some of her favorite spots. Each day in Paris has been a new chapter in her adventure, and she looks forward to seeing what tomorrow will bring. Her journey continues, with each moment more precious than the last. First, Anna decides to visit the Canal Saint-Martin. She takes a leisurely walk along the picturesque canal, watching as boats pass through the locks and locals enjoy picnics along the banks. The area feels tranquil and far removed from the hustle and bustle of central Paris. As she walks, Anna comes across charming cafes and boutique shops. She stops to browse in some of them, picking up a few unique souvenirs to take home with her. The owners are friendly, and Anna enjoys chatting with them about life in Paris. Feeling hungry, Anna decides to have lunch at a cozy bistro she discovers along the canal. She orders a classic French dish of boeuf bourguignon and savors every bite. The food is delicious, and Anna feels grateful for the culinary experiences Paris has offered her. After lunch, Anna takes a stroll through the nearby Butte-Chaumont Park. The park is lush and green, with winding paths that lead to hidden waterfalls and picturesque bridges. Anna finds a quiet spot to sit and reflect on her time in Paris, feeling grateful for the memories she has made. As the sun begins to set, Anna heads to the Montparnasse Tower one last time. She rides the elevator to the top and watches as the city lights twinkle below. The view is breathtaking, and Anna feels a sense of awe at the beauty of Paris spread out before her. Finally, Anna ends her day with a farewell dinner at a quaint bistro in Montmartre. She raises a glass to Paris, to the memories she has made and the adventures she has had. As she takes her last bites of French cuisine, Anna knows that Paris will always hold a special place in her heart. As Anna drifts off to sleep that night, she feels grateful for the time she has spent in Paris. Though her journey in the city may be ending, she knows that the memories she has made will stay with her forever. And who knows? Perhaps one day she will return to the City of Light to continue her adventures anew.